Vasacrafts Company Incorporated is a furniture and interior manufacturing company located in Cebu, Philippines. We specialize in custom furniture and architectural millwork. With our Swedish-American owners and Filipino artisans, we have acquired a competent and skilled team. As a single-source manufacturing company, we offer a wide range of materials and techniques. Regardless if our clients have their own design or prefer to use our complete in-house R&D team with furniture architects and engineers, we will guide them through the process to fully realize their next small or large-scale project. With our Swedish heritage, we live and breathe quality and continuous improvements. We have established a culture in which each member of the team is responsible for controlling their output. We want our staff to take pride and value their work, which I think is the essence of producing quality products. To maintain the safety and financial security of our workers, we offered private transportation to and from work, and we issued a prorated 13th month pay. At the workspace, we have implemented precautionary measures such as physical distancing and wearing of masks at all times. Besides this, things are quite normal and we hope to keep it that way, so that our team feel a sense of normality despite all the uncertainty in our society. In the beginning of the pandemic, we compiled all the necessary protocols required by the city government for us to be able to operate during the quarantine. We operated on skeletal workforce of at least 30% during the ECQ and with 50% workforce during GCQ. Today, my team and I, we focus on adapting and making sure our clients know that we are operational. We are adjusting by moving all department monitoring online to enable our team to work remotely. We also invest time and resources in contacting old and new clients to create opportunities. The hospitality industry has taken a toll, which means that demand is lower and ultimately we have to work harder to stay in the game. With resilience, everything is possible. Welcome to Vasacrafts Company.